Yo, what's up everybody, it's Your Name back here with World Reader, and today we're diving deep into the future. We're going to explore the incredible advancements that are transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. We're talking about the kind of tech that sounds like it's straight out of sci-fi, like holograms you can touch, and wearables that monitor your health in real time, but it's actually happening right now. Engineers and scientists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Get ready to explore 16 mind-blowing breakthroughs shaping our world and beyond. From lunar telescopes to next-gen airbikes, deep-sea tech and space habitats. These innovations are not just concepts. They're being developed and tested as we speak. This is the stuff that's going to change how we live, work, and explore. From our daily routines to the far reaches of space, let's get into it and see what the future holds. Alright, first up, we're talking space exploration, but with a twist. You know how telescopes work, right? They need a clear view of the sky. Well, what better place to put one than the moon? Scientists are literally building telescopes on the lunar surface to get the clearest images of the universe ever. I'm talking about seeing farther into space than we ever thought possible, all because we're ditching Earth's atmosphere and light pollution. This is next-level astronomy, people. Next up, we're bringing the future of transportation to the skies. Imagine this, you're stuck in traffic, but instead of getting frustrated, you just lift off. That's the idea behind the Volonaut Airbike. It's like a motorbike, but it flies. We're talking drone technology meets personal transportation. This thing is sleek, it's fast, and it could seriously change the way we commute. No more traffic jams, just open skies. Sign me up. Okay, let's talk about MIT. These guys are always on the cutting edge of, well, everything. From robotics that can navigate complex environments to energy solutions that could revolutionize how we power our world, MIT is constantly pushing the boundaries. And don't even get me started on their work with AI. We're talking about algorithms that can learn and adapt like never before. MIT is basically a real-life Tony Stark workshop, and I'm here for it. Chapter 4. China's block submarines. Now, let's dive deep, literally, into the world of underwater innovation. China's been making waves with its advanced submarine program, specifically these things called block submarines. They're stealthy, they're powerful, and they're designed to explore the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean. We're talking about a whole underwater world we're just starting to understand, and these submarines are our ticket in. Plus, the tech they're packing is seriously next level. Title, FuninVR Experiences. Let's shift gears a bit and talk about virtual reality. FuninVR is taking immersive experiences to a whole new level. We're talking about rides and simulations that are so real, you'll forget you're even wearing a headset. Imagine walking on Mars, exploring ancient ruins, or even just experiencing your favorite video game like never before. FuninVR is blurring the lines between reality and the virtual world, and it's only getting more insane from here. Chapter 6. Autodesk AEC Showreel. Alright, time to talk about the future of building because even construction is getting a tech upgrade. Autodesk's AEC technology is changing the game when it comes to architecture and construction. We're talking about designing smarter, greener cities with software that can optimize everything from energy efficiency to structural integrity. This is how we build the cities of the future, people, and it's pretty incredible to see in action. Chapter 7. Back to space. NASA's Europa Clipper mission is on a mission to find alien life. I'm serious. This spacecraft is headed to Jupiter's moon, Europa, which has a subsurface ocean that scientists believe could harbor life. We're talking about potentially discovering extraterrestrial organisms, people. The Europa Clipper is equipped with all kinds of instruments to study the moon's icy shell and search for signs of life. This is the kind of mission that could rewrite textbooks. Chapter 8. Let's talk about clean energy because the future is green. Wind power is blowing up, literally. We're seeing massive wind farms popping up all over the globe, and the technology is getting seriously impressive. From floating turbines that can harness the power of offshore winds, to AI-powered systems that optimize energy output, wind energy is becoming more efficient and affordable than ever before. This is how we power the world sustainably, people. Chapter 9. Next up, we've got robots, but not the kind you're thinking of. Growl Robotics is building robotic dogs. Yeah, you heard that right. These things are designed for search and rescue missions, military operations, and all sorts of other tasks that are too dangerous for humans. They're strong, they're fast, and they're incredibly intelligent. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but these robotic canines are here to help us in the real world. Okay, remember what I said about the future of construction? Well, it involves a lot of three-dimensional printing. ETH Zurich is at the forefront of this revolution, using giant robotic arms and three-dimensional printers to build entire structures out of concrete. We're talking about houses, bridges, even skyscrapers, all printed layer by layer. This technology has the potential to revolutionize construction, making it faster, cheaper, and more sustainable. Time for some futuristic infrastructure. The Eines Vision Tunnel is a concept for a smart, illuminated tunnel that's both functional and visually stunning. Imagine driving through a tunnel that's not dark and dreary, but instead bathed in dynamic, colorful light. This tunnel is designed to enhance safety, improve traffic flow, and just look plain awesome. It's like driving through a work of art. Let's talk about living in space, because it's not just a sci-fi dream anymore. Architects and designers are coming up with some seriously mind-blowing concepts for habitats on Mars, the Moon, and beyond. We're talking about structures that are sustainable, self-sufficient, and surprisingly comfortable, all things considered. Imagine living in a biodome on Mars, growing your own food, and gazing out at the red planet's surface. The future of space exploration is looking pretty cozy, if you ask me. Remember those robotic dogs from earlier? Well, get ready for their even smaller, bouncier cousins. Tiny hopping robots are all about agility and exploration. These little guys can jump over obstacles, navigate rough terrain, and squeeze into tight spaces, making them perfect for things like planetary exploration and search and rescue missions. They're like the robotic explorers of the future, boldly going where no robot has gone before. Alright, let's talk about the backbone of the tech world: manufacturing. Foxconn, the company that makes a lot of the gadgets we use every day, is taking automation and AI to the next level in its global factories. We're talking about robots working alongside humans, smart systems optimizing production lines, and a level of precision and efficiency that's mind-blowing. This is the future of manufacturing, and it's happening right now. Time for some military tech, and this one's a hybrid beast. The V-22 Osprey is like a helicopter, and an airplane had a baby. It can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, but it can also fly long distances at high speeds like an airplane. This unique capability makes it perfect for all sorts of military operations, from troop transport to rescue missions. The Osprey is a testament to what's possible when you combine cutting-edge engineering with outside-the-box thinking. Last but not least, let's talk about the brains behind all this tech: computer chips. These tiny marvels are the heart and soul of modern electronics, driving everything from our smartphones to our cars. The demand for processing power is higher than ever, and tech giants are responding by building massive 300mm wafer fabs. These state-of-the-art facilities are sprawling complexes, often the size of multiple football fields. These facilities are where silicon wafers are turned into the chips that power our smartphones, computers, and pretty much everything else. The process involves intricate steps, from etching circuits to layering materials with atomic precision. We're talking about billions of transistors on a single chip, and the technology is only getting more advanced. Each transistor is a tiny switch that controls the flow of electricity, enabling complex computations. This is the foundation of the digital age, people, and it's only getting bigger. As we continue to innovate, these chips will become even more powerful, driving the next wave of technological advancements. So, there you have it, 16 technologies that are shaping the future right before our eyes. These advancements are not just concepts or prototypes, they are real and already making a significant impact on our daily lives. From exploring the cosmos to revolutionizing construction, these technologies are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. These innovations prove we're living in an age of rapid transformation. Every day, new gadgets and devices are being developed, making our lives easier and more connected. It's an exciting time to be alive, as we witness these groundbreaking changes firsthand. And who knows what incredible breakthroughs await us just around the corner. The future holds endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of tech, there's so much more to explore and discover. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Your support helps us bring you the latest in technological advancements. As always, thanks for watching. We appreciate your time and enthusiasm, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace, stay curious and keep exploring.